In this video, I will show you a comprehensive comparison between Writecream and Hyperwrite, focusing on their features, pricing, and use cases, all relevant for 2024. For your convenience, the links to both Writecream and Hyperwrite are in the description below so you can try them out. Let's start with the features. Writecream offers a powerful AI writing assistant that can generate high-quality content, including articles, blog posts, and more. It also provides advanced editing tools and plagiarism checking. On the other hand, Hyperwrite focuses on providing a seamless writing experience with features like distraction-free mode and collaboration tools. However, it lacks the advanced AI capabilities of Writecream. Moving on to pricing, Writecream offers a range of affordable plans to suit different needs, including a free plan with limited features. While contrast, Hyperwrite charge $19.99 per month. Now, let's discuss the use cases. Writecream is ideal for content creators, marketers, and students who need help with writing and editing. Its AI capabilities can save time and improve the quality of written content. On the other hand, Hyperwrite is more suitable for writers who value a clean and distraction-free writing environment. In conclusion, Writecream emerges as the better choice due to its advanced AI capabilities, affordable pricing plans, and versatility in catering to a wide range of users. Click the link in the description to try Writecream for free and experience the difference yourself.